Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday.
Hi everyone, we did a little browsing around today, so I thought I would show you what we found. I only ran into Target for a few minutes, and I was of course checking out the bargain zone in the front of the store. If you watched my grocery haul, I mentioned, not my grocery haul, the healthy haul from Wegmans. I mentioned that we left Target early because unfortunately they didn't have any food. So I quickly browsed in the dollar spot, the bargain zone, in the front of the store, and I just quickly grabbed a few things. I grabbed this cute little snowman. His nose turns to count down the days till Christmas. And then I grabbed this gratitude wreath. I thought that would be a nice little activity to do. I live in Pennsylvania, and I saw this sweet little ornament, as well as a Pennsylvania gift sack. And so I thought I would use this to send my stepdaughter some of her presents in this year. She's currently in a different state. I also grabbed her some bath salts. Cute little star shaped, sort of like an ornament. And then if you have little girls, you know exactly what this is. I grabbed this for my daughter, an LOL surprise doll. And that is going to be as a Christmas present. Everything else here on the table is from Kmart. My local Kmart is unfortunately going out of business, and so I do want to go back to check out the sales, but we mostly ran in to grab my daughter a pair of jeans. She's really been needing some jeans, and we got these for her for $7, so that was a really great deal. We also grabbed some batteries. I believe these were 9 something. They were originally $12.99, and my husband decided to grab those. I thought this dress was pretty, and my daughter tried it on and she loves it. So we're going to use this as her Christmas dress. It wasn't too much to begin with, but I'm pretty sure we got it for $13. I will double check the receipt and put the price here on the screen. A few more LOL items. LOL surprise under wraps. I'm pretty sure these were supposed to be 14 something. And we got those for $11.99 each. I grabbed one for my daughter and one for our youngest niece. And those are also for Christmas. My son has been saying that he wants 2 new Nerf guns for Christmas, but he wants smaller ones. He actually has like a gigantic Star Wars themed Nerf gun, but he wants 2 smaller ones, he said. And he said he wants one with 5 bullets and one with 6. I'm not sure why he's being so precise, but we went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Nerf guns. I'm not sure if my husband realizes that he actually grabbed 2 identical Nerf guns. Well, they're not even Nerf. Is it Zenith? I'm not sure, but my son is not going to even know the difference or mind. And we grabbed some extra bullets right there. And then last but not least, you guys, these sweaters, or not sweaters, sweatshirts, I'm pretty sure they were $2.35, and they're decent, you know, they're not too thin. Cool like Dad, and the ladies love me. Oh, I did not know I grabbed that one. Well, there you have it. I don't know if I love this one. I did not realize what it said, but I guess that's okay. My son is 4. I don't know, you guys. Do you like this? This isn't typically the words, like the image or the words I would choose. But yeah, we kind of just ran in quickly. And since we were there, I tried to browse around quickly and see if I could find anything. But this one I love. I really like this one. But hey, this is going to keep him warm. And for $2.35, I'm pretty sure it was $2.35. This was an amazing deal. Just some casual sweatshirts. I really like this one. This one's my favorite. And this little guy is just so cute. I want to go back to Target as well. I'm thinking of doing like a shop with me video and checking out all of their Christmas items. So let me know if you would like that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.